Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 9 Economics Chapter 3 Poverty as a Challenge. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Rural Case of Poverty Part 2. This comprises 14 questions. Question 1. Lakha Singh lives in a dash. The options are Kacha hut, Pakka home, Kacha house. Your time to choose. And the answer is Kacha hut. So, Lakha Singh lives in a Kacha hut. Question 2. Lakha Singh lives in a Kacha hut on the dash. The options are border of the village, banks of a river, outskirts of the village, boundary of the town. Your time to choose. And the answer is outskirts of the village. So, Lakha Singh lives in a Kacha hut on the outskirts of the village. Question 3. The women of Lakha Singh's family spend the day chopping dash. The options are wood, trees, fodder, firewood. Your time to choose. And the answer is fodder. So, the women of Lakha Singh's family spend the day chopping fodder. Question 4. The women of Lakha Singh's family spend the day chopping fodder and collecting dash. The options are wood in the jungle, weeds in the fields, twigs in the forest, firewood in the fields. Your time to choose. And the answer is firewood in the fields. So, the women of Lakha Singh's family spend the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the fields. Question 5. Lakha Singh's father was dash. The options are a chronic patient, a TB patient, a terminal patient, very patient. Your time to choose. And the answer is a TB patient. So, Lakha Singh's father was a TB patient. Question 6. Lakha Singh's father, a TB patient, passed away dash. The options are many years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year back, 2 years back. Your time to choose. And the answer is 2 years ago. So, Lakha Singh's father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago. Question 7. Lakha Singh's father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to dash. The options are overeating, lack of food, wrong medicines, lack of medication. Your time to choose. And the answer is lack of medication. So, Lakha Singh's father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to lack of medication. Question 8. Lakha Singh's mother now suffers from dash. The options are the same disease, lack of medication, malnutrition, wrong medicines. Your time to choose. And the answer is the same disease. So, Lakha Singh's mother now suffers from the same disease. Question 9. Lakha Singh's mother now suffers from the same disease and life is dash. The options are passing away, burdensome, slowly ebbing away, in danger. Your time to choose. And the answer is slowly ebbing away. So, Lakha Singh's mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly ebbing away. Question 10. Lakha Singh's small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh has dash. The options are a private school, a primary school, a play school, an elementary school. Your time to choose. And the answer is a primary school. So, Lakha Singh's small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh has a primary school. Next question 11. Lakha Singh's small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh has a primary school, but Lakha Singh dash. The options are did not study, never went there, was not admitted, failed every year. Your time to choose. And the answer is never went there. So, Lakha Singh's small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh has a primary school, but Lakha Singh never went there. Question 12. Lakha Singh had to start earning when he was dash. The options are 8 years old, 12 years old, 5 years old, 10 years old. Your time to choose. And the answer is 10 years old. So, Lakha Singh had to start earning when he was 10 years old. Next question. New clothes happen in Lakha Singh's family dash. The options are once in a year, every year, not even once a year, once in a few years. Your time to choose. And the answer is once in a few years. So, new clothes happen in Lakha Singh's family once in a few years. Question 14. Last question. Even dash are a luxury for Lakha Singh's family. The options are socks and shoes, soap and oil, underclothes, shampoo and conditioner. Your time to choose. And the answer is soap and oil. So, even soap and oil are a luxury for Lakha Singh's family. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Rural Case of Poverty Part 2. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section regarding the two typical cases of poverty. I'll see you there.